Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with power and focus. Charge the Zebronics earbuds and case above 20% because low battery can block pairing. Once charged, make sure other Bluetooth devices are off so they won't auto-connect. Open the case and press and hold the pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing. This signals pairing mode. You're doing this to make the earbuds discoverable. Without flashing, phones cannot see them. Now move quickly to your phone's Bluetooth screen. Now you switch to your phone, enable Bluetooth, then scan for new devices. Once the Zebronics model appears, often labeled Zebronics Plus model, tap it. If your device asks for permission to pair, accept it. This lets audio route correctly. After tapping Connect, wait for the confirmation tone or status change to Connected. If you hear only one ear, make sure the other bud is seated in the case and reinsert it. Sometimes they need a handshake to form the stereo link. Finish by testing audio and mic in a quick call or music track. Make sure both left and right play. If the earbuds fail to pair or only one connects, reset them. Press and hold the case button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash differently, then repeat pairing. If issues persist, on your phone forget the Zebronics device and retry from scratch. This clears stale profiles. One key troubleshooting tip. Interference from other active Bluetooth devices can block pairing, so move away or turn them off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.